Good morning, beta. Good morning to everyone. How are you all?
Ma'am, fine.
Fine. Very good. Very
Morning.
nice.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. A lovely morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Everybody be ready with your SST copies. Till where we have done? Answer in brief.
Ma'am,
Yes,
question.
Third question.
Answer in brief. I revision. My third question. Yes, ma'am.
My question already done.
Aradhya,
Am I not done the third?
which question from answer in brief? Till which question have we done?
Ma'am, third one.
Ma'am, question 1 to
Ma'am,
question
third
3.
one. Ma'am, didn't why?
Beta,
And
okay, keep speaking, keep speaking. Very nice. Keep speaking. All of you speak together so that I can understand what is being spoken. Aradhya, beta, till where have we done?
ma'am, question 1 to question 3 and answer the brief question.
Answer in brief. We
I
have done
done
all the
only
questions
two
from answer in
questions.
brief.
No, ma'am. Question 3. Yes, ma'am. All done. We have
All done. All right. So today it's
I'm
time
not done. Ma'am, I'm not done 3 and 4.
3 and 4.
Ma'am, second and
First of all, everyone mute yourself.
good morning, ma'am.
3 and 4. There are only 3 questions in answer in brief. Where is the
Ma'am,
fourth
I'm
question?
मैम मेरा थर्ड वाला नहीं हुआ है.
Ma'am, my third one is not complete. My third one is not complete.
Second and third is not complete.
All right, I'll again share the work from answer number 3. Okay, don't worry. I'm going to share the screen. Everybody be ready with your copies. Today we will complete the written work of this chapter. Fine? All of you be seated, get ready to do the work.
खराब हो रही है.
देखते टाइम का नहीं पता चला किसमें लिखा है जो उसमें हमें नंबर ही नहीं पता हम तो खाली तुक्का मारते हैं.
Beta, mute yourself, Arsalan. Mute yourself first.
Ma'am, answer is not done full. अरे यार.
Ma'am, I done full question 3.
Very nice. Congratulations. Congratulations if you have done everything. Okay. It's taking a little time to open. I don't know why, what's wrong today with my internet connection.
Ma'am, please. Ma'am, what is the third answer? Second point.
Beta, I'm telling, please wait. Please wait for a minute. I'll just tell. It's not opening. I don't know why. Just a minute.
मामा बाद में निकाल.
Okay, here it is. Now everybody see the screen. What is a secret ballot? What are the functions of the Election Commission of India? And then answer in detail. Can you see?
No, ma'am.
No?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Ma'am, now I can see. Yes, ma'am.
I'll have to change my room, I think.
Ma'am, please scroll up. Ma'am, done.
Okay, beta, but you'll have to wait since other students are doing the short ones, no? Answer in brief, so you will have to wait a little. Who all are doing this question number 2 and question number 3 of answer in brief?
I'm doing.
Okay, fine. Hurry up, try to do it in 2 minutes. I will change the page. Okay?
Ma'am, what is this second point?
It also announces and declares the result.
Ma'am, can I write the answer in detail?
Ma'am, please scroll down.
Children, can I scroll down now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Responsibility spelling is wrong.
Yes, beta. But the PDF that I will send you is the correct one. I have corrected over there. I saw my mistake and then made the correction.
I'm done.
We have to write this even also.
We have to write what?
Even also.
Even means? What is?
Answer.
Yes, of course, beta, the E. Answer in detail. Yes, you have to write. It is a part of the chapter, so why will you not write it?
I have done till 2 words.
Very nice. Okay, in 1 minute, I will change the screen. Everybody, please try to complete it till here.
Ma'am,
I will change. Beta, you have done, but not everyone has done, no? So we'll have to wait for others also. It's good that you have done, but let's wait for others.
Ma'am, please wait. I am writing answer.
Okay, beta. Now shall I change the screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No,
Anybody?
ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay,
Yes,
okay, I'll wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, there are students who are still saying no, so I'll wait for them.
Ma'am, now you can change.
Okay, I'll change now.
No, ma'am.
Hurry up, beta. Hurry up and do it. See, others are also waiting.
Ma'am, please scroll up.
Beta, it is starting from here only. It is from the top of the page. There is nothing above it.
Ma'am, I am doing second point of first answer.
Now leave a little place for that. Leave little space and then start from here.
Ma'am, what is
Arsalan, beta, you should increase your speed. You write very slow.
Ma'am, what is written on third point?
Helps and cares for neighbors and elders.
Ma'am, in question number 2, you have written what is difference between private and public property. This is in question number matlab answer in detail.
So beta, I have shared this only. I have shared answer in detail only. What is the difference between public and private property? I can't understand, Vedanshu, what you're saying. Is this not the question given and answer in detail in the book?
Yes, ma'am.
So beta, I have also shared the same thing.
Ma'am, please scroll up a little.
Beta, this is the top of the page. There is nothing above it. Okay. This helps and cares for neighbors and elders. You wanted to see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I want to see answer 1.
No, beta, now answer 1 you will see on the class group, in the D group. I will send the work over there. That means you are going very slow. The whole class is on this answer, so I'll rather see the whole class, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'll send the group there. Don't worry. Oh, sorry. I'll send the work on the group. Don't worry.
it is so long.
That is why it is written, answer the following in detail.
And what is the answer 3?
Answer 3, what are the different ways? Okay, beta, children, can I scroll down now? All of you
Yes,
have done
ma'am.
this much?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I am on set.
Can I scroll a little down, not completely down, just a little down?
Property.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what is written after R in answer to?
What is written after what, beta?
Ma'am, in answer to the second point, what is after R?
Okay. Apostrophe S. Examples of private property are one's own cycle, house, car, or land.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, anybody is scribbling.
Ma'am, Riddhi is scribbling.
Yes, Riddhi's favorite job is to scribble on screen. She keeps scribbling whenever I share screen. From class 3, she's got this habit. Huh, Riddhi? You love to scribble. No other child of the class does this.
Ma'am, what is written in second
Now
answer?
Yuvraj Singh. Huh? Now Yuvraj Singh will do the same. Yes, Vidanshu beta.
Ma'am, what is written in second answer? First point R
Ra-
after
Okay, wait. First point,
example.
private property refers to things that belong to an individual or a group, while public property refers to things or places that belong to each one of us. Is this what you're asking?
Ma'am, example of private property.
Okay.
After R.
Examples of private property are one's own, O-N-E apostrophe S, are one's own cycle, house, car, or land.
Ma'am, I have done all.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Ma'am, please switch to next page.
What, beta?
Ma'am, please just switch to next page.
I can't understand, Akshar. You want me to explain?
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
he-
can
Please open the next page.
Oh, open the next page. Okay, everyone has done this one?
I'm doing.
Then beta, just wait for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'm going to change the page. Okay? Everybody who has not done, please try to finish it in 2 minutes.
Ma'am, now can you open the next page? No, ma'am.
Yes, beta, yes. Now I'll open the next page.
Ma'am, I am on question number 3.
Okay, beta, if you have missed writing anything, don't worry. The work will be shared on the D group. Okay? After the class gets over, I'll share the work on D group. Don't worry.
The work? ठीक है मम्मा मम्मा आप मुझे फोन दे दोगे अब कोई अब आगे अब कुछ ठीक है अभी रख या मम्मा सच्ची मेरे बहुत पीठ में दर्द होता है मम्मा देखो
Beta, Aradhya, please mute yourself, no?
मैम सॉरी
It's okay.
I'm done question answer number 3.
Wonderful. Very nice.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, who has done?
What, beta?
Ma'am, who has done, they can they leave?
Yes, those who have done can leave and get ready for your next class.
Okay, ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, we can write, decorate the notebook.
You can write the notebook what?
Ma'am, we can decorate.
Yes, now you can beautify your work. Children, done this page? Yes. Arsalan, beta, have you done?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, class is over.
Yes, beta, the class is about to get over. How many students are still doing?
Bye, ma'am.
Can I remove the screen? Can I stop sharing the screen with you all? Okay, only 3 students are there. Children, are you still doing? Arshika, Alak, Pratap and Ansh Patel. No response.